How to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix repost option not showing on your TikTok. So first way we are going to try is to go to the App Store or to your Play Store if you have an Android, and make sure that your TikTok is updated. So in the App Store, let's just go to the search bar and type in TikTok right here. So click on the TikTok app and make sure that it says open. That means that your TikTok application is updated. So if it says update right here, just click on that and it will update your app. Now let's go ahead and go to the application itself. And another way we are going to try is go to the profile page and then click on this top right corner button right here that has in 3 lines. Click on settings and privacy. Let's go to privacy and scroll down. So in some locations, this may not be available like in my location, but in some devices or regions, it should say a repost option, usually below the like videos right here. So it may be situated right here. So just click on the repost and toggle on the video repost, so that might solve your issue on the repost option not showing. So the next way that we will try if your repost option is still not showing on TikTok is to clear our cache. So again, go back to the profile page, click on the 3-line button at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, scroll down a bit, and you will see an option right here that says clear cache. So don't worry, because clearing the cache on TikTok will not delete your drafts or your videos. So clearing the cache on TikTok only deletes the temporary storage in the app and nothing more. The cache data is merely your preloaded profile information and your watch history. So just simply click on clear cache and TikTok will clear your cache. And if the repost option is still not showing, another option is to reinstall. So just go to your home page and long press on the TikTok app and click on remove app right here. Uninstall that and go back to your app store and just install your TikTok app again. Take note that reinstalling the app will delete your drafts. And then if it still does not show, just go to the profile page again, click on the 3-line button at the top right corner, settings and privacy, and let's go to the support section at this page and click on report a problem. Let's wait for it to load, and let's click on the compose button at the top right corner, and let's click on the compose button again. So you just type in your problem right here. So since we are dealing with a repost option not showing, let's just type in repost. And you may also attach media files right here. Just click on that and click on report. So you may wait for at least 2 to 3 business days for TikTok to give a response. So after you have done all those steps, you go ahead to your For You page or your home page, click on the share button to see if your repost button is already right there.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.